Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on the system update option and make sure first of all that you've got the internet connection, and then tap on online update. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, your device will check whether you can download the update. I can, as you can see. You've got also, you will receive the information about the update. So for example, what kind of fixes has been applied, debugging, etc. What has been optimized, and so on and so on. So of course you can tap on restart now, so your device will be allowed to apply the updates. Or when you are up to date, your device will also give you proper information that you do not have to download anything. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.